Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. Now coming to the next topic, the rational numbers between two rational numbers. कोई भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में बहुत सारे रैशनल नंबर्स हम लिख सकते हैं. तो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट अ रैशनल नंबर between two rational numbers. So if x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y upon 2 is a rational number between x and y. The exact number between x and y, how do you find out? It is x plus y divided by 2. Now example 20, find three rational numbers between 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So for one rational number, it is x plus y upon 2. Now how to find out three rational numbers between two rational numbers? So first draw the number line. You know the negative ones come on to the left and the positive ones to the right. So minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. इसके बीच में तीन हमें रैशनल नंबर ढूंढने का है. So for that, first you write a means between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 you get a. Now between minus 1 by 2 and a you will get b, and between a and 1 by 2 you get c. See the exact rational number between the two. How to find out? This is the method. So for a we have to find out between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So divide by 2 means what? Multiplied by half. So how will you write? The number between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So what we have to do? 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is x, this is y. X plus y divided by 2. That means half into x plus y. Okay. Now half as it is into minus half plus half. Answer is 0. So you get 0. तो नंबर लाइन में भी आपको मालूम है minus 1 by 2 और 1 by 2 के एग्जैक्ट बीच में कौन सा आएगा? 0. Now for b we have to find out which one and all, which two numbers we have to take? minus 1 by 2 and 0. b फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कौन सा दो नंबर लेने का? minus 1 by 2 and 0. So between minus 1 by 2 and 0, so that is the same method, half into minus 1 by 2 plus 0. So 1 by 2 into any number when 0 is added, it remains the same. So ये minus 1 by 2 ही रहेगा. अभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन के वक्त इधर कैंसलेशन नहीं है. कैंसलेशन हमेशा 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator. So directly multiply. This is plus, this is minus. So the answer will be, the product will be negative. So minus sign डालो. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So you will get minus 1 by 4. Now coming to C, we have to take 0 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 0 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 into 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Is it clear? So which are the numbers you get? Minus 1 by 4, 0 and 1 by 4 are the three rational numbers between 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Is it okay? Now between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. You can write as many rational numbers as possible between any two rational numbers. Okay, so that was to find out the rational number between two rational numbers. Now coming to the last worksheet, that is worksheet 6. So first, correct the following statements. The question is, between two rational numbers, we can find only one rational number. Can you find only one rational number? No. So, between two rational numbers, we can find infinite or many rational numbers. So only one is the wrong answer. So what is the correct answer? Many or infinite. Now between two rational numbers, we can find as many integers as we like. No, not the integers. Integers is a 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. So, what is the answer? Between two rational numbers, we can find as many rational numbers as we like. So which is the wrong answer? The word is integers. In that place you will be putting rational numbers. Now coming to the third, it is between two integers we can find as many integers as we like. No, 0 and 1 के बीच में दूसरे इंटीजर आ सकता है. 1 and 2 के बीच में दूसरे इंटीजर आ सकते हैं? नहीं. 0 and minus 1 के बीच में? No. We can find the rational numbers. So between two integers, we can find as many integers is the wrong answer, rational numbers as we like. Is it okay? Now coming to find a rational number between 2 and 4. A rational number means only one. Okay. So 2 and 4 के बीच में first half into 2 plus 4. Isn't it? X plus y upon 2. That means half into x plus y. So that is a half into 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So which is the answer? It is 3. 2 और 3 के बीच में 2 and 4 के बीच में 3 आएगा. You know. Now minus 2 and minus 6. So इसके लिए half into, it is a minus 2 plus minus 6. Put extra bracket. So half into minus 2 minus 6. Same signs you have to add. Put minus sign. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Answer is minus 4. This also you know. minus 2 और minus 4 के exact बीच में आएगा minus 2 and minus 6 के बीच में minus 4. Now coming to the next, it is a 1 by 4 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 3 by 4. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 4. Denominator is same. So denominator is 4. 1 minus 3. Different signs. You have to subtract. But the sign will be minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 4 mila. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So answer will be minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one. So to separate out. Okay. So it is a half into minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3. Half as it is into, now denominator is same. So 3 minus 2 minus 7 means signs are same, you have to add. But sign is minus, 2 plus 7 is 9. Now 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. आगे कटिंग नहीं है. Plus minus, it will be minus. 1 threes are 3 and the denominator is 2. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? So this was to find out the rational number, one rational number between the two given rational numbers. Is it okay? So coming to the third sum, insert 3 rational numbers between 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. You have to put 3 rational numbers. So already I have written the number line. 4 by 13, that is to the right. 1 by 13 is to the left. Now first, exactly between 1 by 13 and 4 by 13, it will be A. And between 1 by 13 and A, it will be B. And between A and 4 by 13, you will get C. समझ में आया? तो पहले A को फाइंड आउट करो 1 by 13 और 4 by 13 के बीच का. अभी B के लिए 1 by 13 और A को लेने का, और C के लिए A and 4 by 13. Okay. Now between, for A, between 1 by 13 and 4 by 13. That means half into 1 by 13 plus 4 by 13. That is half into 13 in the denominator as it is. 1 plus 4 is 5. So you get 1 5s are 5. 13 2s are, it is 26. So you will get here the answer as 5 by 26. A is 5 by 26. Okay. Now for B. For B, which all you have to take? Between 1 by 13 and A कितना है? 5 by 26. समझ में आ रहा है ना? B के लिए ये दोनों. So half into 1 by 13 plus 5 by 26. Now addition, we have to take the LCM. So it will be how much? Half into, LCM is 26. Now 13, 1 into 13 twos are plus 5 as it is, है ना, 5 ones are. So ये बनेगा half into, it is 2 plus 5 upon 26. That means you get 1 by 2 into 7 by 26. That means answer 1 sevens are 7, 2 sixes are 12, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. So you got how much? 7 by 52. So इधर आया आंसर 7 by, sorry, it is a 7 by 52. Okay, that is B. Now for C, it will be how much? For C, between A is how much? 5 by 26 and 4 by 13. That is half into 5 by 26 plus 4 by 13. Now if you take the LCM, half into 26 is the LCM. So 5 ones are, but here 4 into 13 twos are. Okay. So now half into 5 ones are 5, 4 twos are 8 upon 26. So अभी आएगा half into 5 plus 8 is 13 upon 26. Now 13 ones are, 13 twos are, that is 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So here you got how much? 1 by 4. So answer, which are the three numbers you got? 7 by 52, then it is 5 by 26, and then it is 1 by 4. While writing the answer, you can change 5 by 26, then 7 by 52 and 1 by 4. Okay? Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the second sum, it is minus 7 by 10 and it is 11 by 10. So minus 7 by 10, that is negative to the left, and 11 by 10 to the right. Now first we have to find out A. So for A, we have to take which all numbers? It is between minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. That means half into minus 7 by 10 plus 11 by 10. When the denominators are same, what we have to do? Add the numerators, minus plus, subtract, bada number plus. So 11 minus 7 is 4 upon 10. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are 10. So you got the answer 1 by 5. So A is how much? 1 by 5. Now coming to B. So for B, we have to take minus 7 by 10 and A, that is 1 by 5. जो आंसर मिला वो अब पहला लेफ्ट हैंड मोस्ट का. सो नाउ हाफ इंटू minus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 5. Now 1 by 2 into the LCM is 10 minus 7 into 1 plus 1 into 5 2s are 10. That is why multiply by 2. So अभी आएगा half into minus 7 plus 2 upon 10, that is half into minus 5 by 10. क्यों? डिफरेंट साइन, सब्ट्रैक्ट, बड़ा नंबर का माइनस, 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are plus minus minus 1 1s are 1 2 2s are 4. So you got the answer 1 by minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Now coming to the C, third number. So we have to take 1 by 5 and 11 by 10. So between 1 by 5 and 11 by 10. So for that, half into 1 by 5 plus 11 by 10. It is half into, take the LCM, 1 into 5 2s are plus 11 10 1s are. So you will be getting half into 2 1s are 2 plus 11 1s are 11 upon 10. So you got half into, it is 11 plus 2 is 13 by 10. So no cutting, 1 13s are 13, 2 10s are 20. So you got the answer, how much? 13 by 20. Is it okay? So answer, which are the three answers you got? 1 by 5, minus 1 by 4, then 13 by 20. Is it okay? So we have completed the question number 3, 1 and 2. Now coming to the question number 3, third one. So it is a I think this question we can discuss in the next video. Hope you have understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.